In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Telegram bot. We're going to do this directly inside Telegram using the official bot creation tool, so the process is simple and beginner-friendly. If you've never created a bot before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what each part means and what to expect. First, open the official Telegram app on your phone or desktop and log into your account. Make sure you're using the real Telegram app and that your account is already set up, because you'll need access to the search feature and chat interface to continue. Once you're inside Telegram, tap or click the search bar and type BotFather. Look for the official BotFather account with the blue check mark. That verification mark is important because it helps confirm that you're using the correct Telegram tool. Open the chat, then tap Start to begin. Now it's time to create your bot. In the chat with BotFather, type the command /newbot and send it. BotFather will guide you through the setup. First, it will ask for your bot name. This is the display name people will see, so you can choose something clear and recognizable. After that, it will ask for a username. Your username must be unique and it has to end with the word bot. This username is what people will use to search for your bot on Telegram, so choose it carefully. After your bot is successfully created, BotFather will send you a bot token. This token works like a private password that allows your bot to connect to coding platforms, automation tools, or other apps. Copy it and store it somewhere safe. Don't share it publicly, because anyone with access to that token may be able to control your bot. If you want, you can also customize your bot right away. BotFather supports several useful commands. You can add a description, set short about text, upload a profile picture, and define menu commands. These optional settings help make your bot look more polished and easier for users to understand. Finally, test your bot. Search for the username you created, open your bot, and tap Start. At this point, the bot should open normally. Keep in mind that a newly created bot usually won't give smart or automatic replies unless you connect it to code or an automation system. So if it seems basic at first, that's completely normal. And that's how to make a Telegram bot from scratch using BotFather inside Telegram.